In this video, I will show you how to print these things. Star pattern, number pattern, multiplication, simple messaging box, profile, ATM slip, progress bar, business card, calendar, simple pattern, success message. I will show you how to do all these things. If you download, install and successfully set up your path as we discussed in the previous video, now we can do these things. First of all, you have to create a folder Java. I will name it as Java. Go to that folder, cmd, type notepad, hit enter. It will open your notepad here. Go to file, save as, save to your Java folder as test.java. Then write exactly what I am writing here. Class test public static System.out.println. If you want to print something into the console, you need to write this line. I'm going to print my name, Sihan. Save, Control S, and then in this Java folder you can see this test.java file. Open your command prompt, type javac space test.java and hit enter. If your program compiles successfully, it will generate this test.class file. If it is, you can write the second command, java test. Hit enter. It will print my name here. Then System.out.println Java, Control S, save, javac test.java. This will throw an error. It says error semicolon expected. If I type semicolon and save, then again compile. Now it is okay. Now it is printing my name and Java. What if I want to print these two things in same line? To do that, we need to use System.out.print, not println. This print method will print our text in the same line. Let me make it as print. Now if I save and compile it, using Java C and then run it by Java command. It is printing in the same line. These two messages are printing in the same line because of this print method. If I use println method, it will print it in the next line. If you want to print any text, you need to use double quote. You can write your text here. If you want to print some numbers, you can write like this. Java C Java. You can do some calculation also here. 10 plus 2 Java C Java. And then you want to print backslash. This will give an error. Unclosed string literal. It is give me an error because there are some characters in some programming languages called escape characters. These escape characters are representing by using this backslash. When I'm using this backslash, it is treating this backslash as an escape character. But there's no escape character like this. That's why this command is give me an error. To avoid this error, I'm using another backslash. Now we can successfully print our backslash in our console. Then if you want to combine some text with some numbers, you can use plus symbol. When you use text and numbers, this plus symbol is acting as a concatenation operator. If you use numbers only, it is acting as an arithmetic operator. Let's save and run it. It's printing some text 10. If I clear this text and give another number, it is acting as an arithmetic operator. In verse 10, it should give me 20 as output. So we can move to our practicals. I'm going to use println method because here this is one line, this is one line, this is one line, this is one line. That means we need to use println method. Println method. If I use just print method, it is not moved to the second line. I'll copy this. Let's save and run and close the registry. That means we are using backslash. Now it is reading as an escape character. I told you how to prevent that error by using another backslash. Now it is working. Save, compile, run. Then this one, save, compile, run. Then this one, 5 times 1 is equals to plus 5 times 1. I'm going to copy this. compile, run, and then this one. Save, compile, run. Save, run. Compile, run. Progress bar, compile, run. 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 Compile, run. I forgot to remove these two things. That's all for today.